Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
The price of Bitcoin, BTC, to US dollar, USDT, has increased by 1.97% to 44,125.01 compared to the same day last year. The price of Ethereum, ETH, to USDT has decreased by -0.06% to 2,354.21, while the price of Binance Smart Chain, BNB, to USDT has increased by 2.62% to 238.7.
Latest news.
OpenAI COO Brad Lightcap cautions against overhyping AI's impact on business. OpenAI COO Brad Lightcap expresses concerns about overhyped impact of AI on businesses. He believes AI is unlikely to deliver substantive business change in one fell swoop. Industry leaders, such as Yann LeCun, are becoming more conservative in their views on AI. Regulators are adjusting expectations while remaining cautious about AI's potential. Lightcap aligns with OpenAI CEO Sam Altman's more moderate views on the path to artificial general intelligence. He suggests that AI should be seen as a companion to enhance human capabilities rather than a substitute for real work and creativity. Amazon Prime Gaming offers free in-game items for Champions Ascension blockchain game. Champions Ascension, a blockchain-based action role-playing game, is offering Amazon Prime subscribers free in-game items. Starting Friday, subscribers can claim 100 in-game gold and the Monster Parts loot box for free. These loot boxes can eventually provide enough parts for players to craft a monster for the upcoming Maestro Towers mode. The game is built around NFTs, but the items in the giveaway are purely in-game digital items. The game is currently holding an early access alpha playtest before a broader Windows PC release. Amazon Prime subscribers can access free in-game content for various games, including NFT games like Mojo Melee and Brawlers. The game plans to launch on Steam without NFT integration. Novel Wallet, a unique way to hide your Bitcoin recovery phrase. Novel Wallet is a creative way to hide a Bitcoin wallet recovery phrase within a book. The project, created by Alex Cannon, uses a Python script to map words from the BIP39 list into a public domain text, Homer's Iliad. Each of the book's 24 chapters contains every single word from the BIP39 word list at least once, allowing users to mark the words to correspond to their mnemonic phrase. Cannon has made the code open source and invites others to improve upon it. While not a revolutionary idea for digital fund security, Novel Wallet offers an interesting alternative to traditional recovery sheets. VanEck chooses HODL ticker for potential Bitcoin ETF. VanEck, a major contender in the Bitcoin ETF race, has chosen the ticker HODL for its potential crypto investment product. The fund manager has filed with the SEC to register the VanEck Bitcoin Trust, which would track the price of Bitcoin and provide an easy way for investors to gain exposure to the cryptocurrency market. The ticker HODL is popular among Bitcoin enthusiasts for its investment strategy of buying the digital asset and never selling it. The VanEck Bitcoin Trust has previously faced multiple denials by the SEC, but analysts predict that an approval could come as soon as January, leading to a flood of capital into the Bitcoin and wider digital asset markets. Chainlink's expanded crypto staking program attracts over 630 million in linked tokens. Chainlink's expanded staking program attracted over 632 million worth of linked tokens, with the program reaching its limit just 6 hours after an early access period. The program now has a capacity of 45 million linked, up from 25 million under V0.1. The program is part of Chainlink's Economics 2.0, designed to secure the system. Chainlink's co-founder Sergey Nazarov said the new staking mechanism introduces important new security features and sets the system up for even further growth in the year to come. Binance Labs clarifies Abu Dhabi license withdrawal, refocuses on global startups. Binance Labs has announced that it will return money to limited partners, LPs, and cancel an unused Abu Dhabi license. The company initially licensed the space to manage funds raised from LPs, but has since shifted its focus to incubating early-stage founders and startups. As a result, the company decided not to use the license anymore. The press release states that Binance Labs will be returning the money to LPs and canceling the license due to the company's new focus on supporting early-stage founders and startups. Please note that this information may change as the situation evolves. For more information, please contact a press representative. Geode Capital Management acquires over 1 million shares of Marathon Digital. Geode Capital Management, LLC, has increased its stake in Bitcoin mining company Marathon Digital to 3,705,238 shares, representing a 2% stake, in the second quarter of this year. Other investment firms also increased their holdings in the company during the first and second quarters. U.S. unemployment rate drops unexpectedly in November. Unemployment rate falls to 3.7% in November, indicating labor market may not be cooling as quickly as initially thought. 199,000 jobs are added, with striking auto workers and Hollywood actors returning to the workforce. Wages increased by 0.4% and 4.1% over the previous year, exceeding economists' expectations. Labor force participation rate rises to 9.18%. Average weekly hours worked increased slightly. The Federal Reserve is expected to hold interest rates at current levels for longer, with markets pricing in a 47% chance of a 25 basis point rate cut at the Fed's March meeting. U.S. economy boosted by stronger than expected job growth in November. November job growth in the U.S. was stronger than expected, with 199,000 new jobs added, contributing to a decrease in the unemployment rate to 3.2%. The report is being closely monitored as the U.S. central bank attempts to cool the economy to stabilize prices. Investors are increasingly speculating that the Federal Reserve may even begin to reverse course next year after raising interest rates to the highest level in over 2 decades. While the latest figures are positive for job seekers, analysts believe that debates over the central bank's next move will persist. Cardano Memecoin Snek sees significant price surge amid widespread Memecoin enthusiasm. Cardano Snek, Snek, Memecoin has experienced a significant increase in price, with a 25% surge in 24 hours, 170% weekly, and 230% over the last month. This surge in value coincides with Cardano's positive trend, which has seen a 13% increase. The Memecoin market, including tokens like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Bank Inu, is undergoing a period of growth, potentially contributing to the rising interest and value in assets like Snek. Bank Inu, a lesser-known token, has seen its price explode to an all-time high, with its market capitalization surpassing 750 million, positioning it as the Binance's largest digital asset in the entire sector. UniSat wallet to launch Bitcoin scaling solution in Q1 2024. UniSat wallet plans to launch a Bitcoin scaling solution in the first quarter of 2024. The solution will address the growing demand for increased transaction capacity and improve the overall efficiency of the Bitcoin network. VanEck submits Fifth Amendment for Bitcoin ETF. VanEck, the company behind the proposed Bitcoin ETF, has submitted its Fifth Amendment to the S-1 filing for the fund. This marks the company's continued efforts to gain regulatory approval. The analyst from Bloomberg, James Seifert, has announced this news. Paxos releases November PYUSD transparency report. Paxos has released its November PYUSD transparency report, revealing that the total outstanding tokens have decreased by 1% to 1,675,360 as of December E. The report also disclosing the current market value of collateral in U.S. Treasury repurchase agreements at $160,590,905, with a nominal position value of $157,442,000. The report also notes that other cash deposits held by custodian institutions have a nominal position value of $1,178. The report also notes that all transactions are over-collateralized, meaning the risk of loss is not significant.
Thank you for watching today.
Bless the audience to make a lot of money in the currency circle. It is hoped that the audience can grasp investment opportunities, invest rationally, and earn reasonable returns. At the same time, the audience is also reminded that investment is risky and needs to be treated with caution, and they should not blindly follow suit or overtrade.